Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here at Pebley Beach Suzuki and Hyundai in Swindon. And today we've got something very exciting to show and share with you. We've got the all new 2021 Hyundai Tucson. And what we're going to do today is just show you the key differences between the old generation and the new generation vehicle. So to the right of me, we've got the 2020 SE Nav Tucson. Now this is the 1.6 petrol, 6-speed manual. And in a moment, we'll quickly run through some spec for you. But to tell you what the one on the left-hand side is, that's the all new 2021 self-charging hybrid Tucson, and that's finished in the premium and a new colour to join the range, which we call teal. So we asked all of you at home on our Instagram page to vote for and ask some questions about the new Tucson. We got a great response, so we'll try and cover the things that we think you at home will most appreciate knowing. So you join me inside the cabin of the 2020 SE Nav. Now this car's a very well equipped car. We've got things like sat nav, reversing camera, DAB radio, all your bits and pieces you'd expect. But this isn't the car you're here for, we know that. So if you join me in the cabin of the other car, you now join me in the all new 2021 Hyundai Tucson. We've got a completely new cabin, we've got a completely new chassis, everything has changed on this car. So we're currently sat in the premium trim, and again, we've got all your features such as sat nav, reversing camera, parking sensors, but we've got it in a much nicer, much more modern way. So as you can see here, we've got the all new display, which can feature our reversing camera and maps and Apple CarPlay. And then if we look in the hybrid, we've got drive-by-wire technology. This clears this area here to make it more modern, more elegant to look at, and it's really easy to change into your different drive modes, park, reverse, neutral, and so on. This particular drivetrain is a 1.6 turbocharged hybrid unit. We've got 230 PS, so it's a nice and quick car for those of you that like it, enjoy driving out there. And we've got lots of cabin space as well. So this particular car features ambient lighting, digital driver's display, auto lights, so on and so forth. The spec goes on and on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you into the rear and then into the boot, just to give you an idea on the differences on the all new 2021 Tucson. So you join me in the back of the all new 2021 Tucson, and as you can see, the front seat's actually set for my colleague Harry, who's over 6 feet tall. I'm 5'8", and there's plenty of room in the back here for me. If we move into the middle, again, plenty of space for anyone that wants to sit in the middle. And if we move here, still plenty of space, even with the seat reclined really far back. We've got ISOFIX in the 2 outer seats. We've also got 2 USBs for all your bits and pieces that you need to charge up on the go. So as you can see, we've got a nice sized boot here, big enough for me and probably another person as well, if that's what you're into. Now, being the hybrid, the boot isn't compromised too much in space because obviously the car's been designed with batteries in mind. So if you look here, we've got a nice sized boot area there. We've got a nice retractable parcel shelf. And if we look underneath, we've got some storage for bits and pieces that you might need. So as you can see here, we've got the all new daylight running lights on the Tucson. So we've got the 5 different light filaments just here. So it gives it a very unique, nothing else on the market that looks quite like it. As we spoke about the car previously, with its very small daylight running light, this is now integrated into the grille. So here you've got the indicator, and just down here, you've got the main, low beam and high beam lights as well. So it gives it a very unique look. And personally, it's probably the best looking car I've seen in a long time. So the previous car, you could get diesel, you could get a diesel mild hybrid, and you could get a petrol variant of the vehicle. This new car adds 3 different types of drivetrain. We can have the standard petrol combustion engine, that's a 1.6 turbocharged unit. We can have a 1.6 turbocharged 48 volt mild hybrid unit. And for the first time ever on the all new Tucson, we've got a self-charging hybrid. This gives you the best of both worlds. There's no need to plug in, lower running costs, lower fuel bills too. So if that ticks your boxes, please get in contact and we're more than happy to introduce you to the all new 2021 Hyundai Tucson. This week tell me about recording.